Bagong buhay ka na. So, hindi na chocolate kinakain mo ngayon. Ano na kinakain mo ngayon? Fruits. Fruits.
Guys, nakain ako na yung fruits.
Fruits. Ikaw yan, uubos lahat po niyan. Sa'yo po lahat yan. Very good naman ng baby ko. Very good yan. Yummy po ba? What's your favorite there? Orange. And what? What? What's that? Pears. You want the pears. Are you happy? Every day ka nagpapapa ng nag-iit ng fruits. Very good. Kasi sabi ni doctor. Diba? More. You eat more. What's that? What do you call that? What's that?
Pears.
Pears. Yummy.
It is my favorite too.
That's your favorite too. What's that? What's that? What's that?
Parang tomato.
What ito? It's a grapes. Diba? Alam mo na yan. Pinabay mo yan. Wait lang. So, babalatan natin si Liam nito, guys. So, guys, eto, nabalatan na natin si Liam. What will you say? Thank you. Welcome, my baby. What are you gonna eat pa?
Ito pa. Oy!
More, this one!
Mami ko dati susumudo yan kakain.
Ako lala! Guys, eto na ang pang-third na grapes. Oh my God, nahulog.
Akin to.
Akin to. Pang-third na grapes niya, guys. So, meron pa siya. Babalatan pa natin. Eto pang-apat na grapes ni Liam, guys. So, kay mami naman to, guys. Kay mami naman. Ay, talaga napapadance pa. Hey, guys. Ito pang-5 na grapes ni Liam, guys. And here.
Ikaw natin ko kakain mo ito.
No!
Si Tom Liam! Where's our more fruits?
More fruits. Oh, wait lang. Guys, ito pang 6 na fruits ni Liam.
Wala na mami kakatin nito.
Na, grapes.
Uy, ka natin kakain.
Wala.
Ay, favorite ko din yung vegetable.
Vegetables din. So, yummy ba, vegetables? So, yummy ba ang vegetables, baby? Liam, I'm asking you.
Yeah!
Yeah. Ano, what's your favorite?
Radish!
Radish. And, ano pang vegetables favorite mo po?
Cauliflower po, ma'am.
Cauliflower.
Broccoli, ma'am.
Broccoli. You wanted broccoli.